Welcome to our exciting journey through the world of statistical tests. In this video, we'll demystify the basics and equip you with the knowledge to confidently analyze and interpret your data. Statistical tests are like detectives, helping us uncover patterns and draw meaningful conclusions from our data. They allow us to answer questions like, are the results I'm seeing just by chance, or is there a real effect at play? It's all about uncovering the truth hidden within the numbers. Before we delve into the specific tests, let's start with some key concepts. Hypothesis testing is the backbone of statistical analysis. It's like embarking on a quest to prove or disprove a hypothesis about our data. We set up two hypotheses: the null hypothesis, representing no effect, and the alternative hypothesis, suggesting a significant effect. Enter p-values and significance levels, the superhero duo of statistical tests. The p-value tells us the probability of obtaining results as extreme as the ones observed, assuming the null hypothesis is true. If the p-value is smaller than our chosen significance level, typically 0.05, we have strong evidence to reject the null hypothesis and support the alternative. Common assumptions also play a crucial role in statistical tests. These assumptions ensure that our analysis is valid and accurate. We must consider factors like data distribution, independence of observations, and equal variances between groups. By acknowledging and addressing these assumptions, we strengthen the reliability of our results. Now, armed with these basics, it's time to embark on your own statistical adventures. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn from your mistakes, and refine your skills. There's a world of data waiting to be explored, and statistical tests are your trusty companions on this exciting journey. So, go forth and unravel the mysteries hidden within your data. Demystify statistical tests, master the basics, and let the numbers guide you to enlightening insights. Happy analyzing!